Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Ilbo back here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having an amazing day. As always, and I'm just gonna tell you guys how to burp about 20 minutes. And okay, let's get started this video, and here we go. Let's burp. One, okay. Let's do it again. That was a good one. Let's keep doing it again for about 20 minutes. That was a good one. Oh, that was a good one. That was a really good one. Okay, let's do it again. That's really funny. Now, I don't like to drink a water bottle, so I don't need to drink a water bottle. I could burp. Look at this. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash that like button. Be sure to hit that like button. So hit that subscribe button. Make sure, please subscribe to my channel. Turn the post notifications on. And thanks for watching, and bye.